Hi everyone. This Photoshop tutorial is related with my previous After Effects tutorial Hartbeat intro. In this video I'll show you how to make the background of Hartbeat intro, so let's get started. First go to New and put width 1920 and height 1080. Resolution is 300. Then click Create. Set color swatches to default color. Then go to Filter, Render, Clouds. Convert background layer into a smart object. Again go to Filter, Gradient Filter Gallery. Click Distort and choose Glass. Now use these sliders to make a perfect glossy look. Click OK. Then go to Adjustment and select Gradient Map. Use this color code. Again go to Adjustment and select Curves. Put that curve line down, to make the image darker. Use Masking on Curves layer and remove darkness from the middle of the image. After that your image will be ready. Thanks for watching everyone. I'll be back soon with another tutorial. Please subscribe.